I personally joined this program because of my mother. She passed away about 3 years ago. I thought about what I wanted to do with my life. Food seemed to be the thing that stood out the most. I decided to go to school and actually get a degree for it.
We're trying to free students up from being so recipe bound to being driven by technique. If you know the techniques, you can cook anything.
I just think the quality of the teaching and the hands-on experience that you really get in this program is pretty unique.
I see incredible growth in the skills of our students as well as their confidence in what they're doing. We have fantastic facilities and it allows them to really go far.
This kitchen is state-of-the-art. We have everything from individualized fridges to stoves. This place is fantastic.
What I want students to get out of this is to learn how to learn, because in our industry, I'm still learning. I want students to be curious, to be excited, and to know how to go about learning new things.
This is one of the funnest courses that I've ever taken in college. They give you that opportunity so that way you can do new things, try new things, explore the world, and this is a step forward to that.